So let's briefly talk about operational, technical, and commercial dimensions of industrial transformation.
Most complex transformations really touch the entire enterprise. How do we innovate on the product side? What are the needs of our customers and how do we address them? How do we need to respond to new demands in terms of sales channels, whether they are digital channels, e-commerce, multi-channel strategies? How are our products evolving? Nowadays, products need to be smart and connected, so product connectivity. And nobody can do that alone. The innovators, the product designers cannot do that alone. They need to collaborate with sales, which has the pulse of the market, product management, but they cannot do it alone neither, because they need to work closely with operations. They will have to produce that. And nowadays, everything happens in a collaborative spirit. So fast-paced teams working together in sprints, being very aligned on what you need, and being aligned on strategies and paths forward so that there is no disconnect in the organization. So they are nearly forced to work together to succeed because of that fast pace. Imagine nowadays when an iPhone is highly integrated, there are so many vendors in the mix. You need architects looking at the entire system solution, and they need to coordinate and synchronize a little bit like a chef d'orchestre, all those different parties. At times, entire companies like Samsung will deliver this, they will deliver that. In the automotive, it's the same. When you design a car, you have those components from Valeo, those from Faurecia, those from Feintool, whatever it is. You would have many parties involved, so you need people orchestrating all of that. And those architects and orchestrators need to make sure everybody is collaborating. Yeah. And then there is, of course, work done in the silo where people go deep in what they have to doing. Like, how do we transform the sales organization? How do we transform the operations? How do we transform the product innovation? But at times, and those are very frequent, there need to be exchange on the architecture of the new system. And if this is not happening, that's a real threat for the organization.